Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install eBay online shopping application in your device. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So we need to go Google Play Store if you use Android, and go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then search here on the search box on your Google Play Store page. So the app it's called eBay. So this is a renowned application. So you can see this is the app, and this is really amazing app. You can see 4.5 rating out of 5 and 4 million reviews. It means 4 million people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And 54 megabyte size of the app, and 100 million plus people already use this app. So simply tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.